Welcome to the heart of every home, the kitchen. And what's the unsung hero of this culinary kingdom? The kitchen cabinet. Today, let's take a closer look at why kitchen cabinets are not just functional, but also stylish statements in any home. From classic to contemporary, kitchen cabinets come in a plethora of styles to suit every taste and space. Whether you prefer the timeless elegance of traditional wood cabinets or the sleek sophistication of modern designs, there's something for everyone. But it's not just about looks. Kitchen cabinets are the ultimate organizers, keeping your cookware, utensils, and pantry essentials neatly tucked away. With clever storage solutions like pull-out drawers, lazy Susans, and adjustable shelves, they make meal prep a breeze. Durability is key when it comes to kitchen cabinets. Constructed from high-quality materials like solid wood, plywood, or MDF, they're built to withstand the daily wear and tear of busy kitchens. Plus, with proper maintenance, they can last for years to come. And let's talk about versatility. Whether you're going for a bold pop of color or a subtle neutral palette, kitchen cabinets can be customized to suit your style. From vibrant hues to elegant finishes, the possibilities are endless. Thinking of giving your kitchen a makeover? Look no further than the humble kitchen cabinet. With a fresh coat of paint or a complete redesign, they can breathe new life into any culinary space, adding value and charm to your home. So, the next time you step into your kitchen, take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero of the room, your kitchen cabinet. Functional, stylish, and essential, it's the true cornerstone of culinary creativity. Thanks for watching. In the bustling hub of every home lies the kitchen, a space where culinary dreams take flight and memories are created. At the heart of this culinary sanctuary stands the kitchen cabinet, a silent yet indispensable entity. Beyond its mere function of storage, the kitchen cabinet is a design element, a space optimizer, and a reflection of personal style. In this essay, we delve deep into the multifaceted role of the kitchen cabinet, exploring its evolution, functionality, aesthetics, and enduring significance in the modern home. Evolution of kitchen cabinets. The history of kitchen cabinets traces back centuries, evolving from simple shelves to intricate storage solutions. Early civilizations utilized freestanding cupboards to store cookware and ingredients, gradually transitioning to built-in cabinets during the Industrial Revolution. With advancements in woodworking techniques and mass production, kitchen cabinets became more accessible, transforming kitchens into organized, efficient spaces. Functionality and organization. Central to the allure of kitchen cabinets is their unparalleled functionality. Equipped with innovative features such as pull-out drawers, adjustable shelves, and soft-close mechanisms, modern cabinets offer optimal storage solutions. From pots and pans to pantry staples, every item finds its designated place within the confines of these meticulously designed compartments. The result? A clutter-free environment that fosters creativity and efficiency in culinary endeavors. Durability and quality. Beyond their functional prowess, kitchen cabinets are revered for their durability and quality craftsmanship. Constructed from robust materials such as solid wood, plywood, or medium-density fiberboard (MDF), they withstand the rigors of daily use with ease. Engineered to endure spills, scratches, and heat exposure, well-built cabinets stand the test of time, preserving their aesthetic appeal for years to come. Moreover, advancements in manufacturing techniques ensure that today's cabinets not only excel in durability, but also in sustainability, utilizing eco-friendly materials and processes. Aesthetics and customization. In the realm of interior design, kitchen cabinets serve as both utilitarian fixtures and artistic expressions. With a myriad of styles, finishes, and hardware options available, cabinets cater to diverse aesthetic preferences. Whether embracing the rustic charm of distressed wood or the minimalist allure of sleek laminate, homeowners can personalize their kitchen cabinets to align with their vision. Furthermore, customizations such as glass-paneled doors, decorative molding, and integrated lighting elevate cabinets from mere storage units to focal points of design excellence. Versatility and adaptability. One of the most remarkable attributes of kitchen cabinets is their versatility and adaptability. As the focal point of the kitchen, cabinets seamlessly integrate with various design schemes, from traditional to contemporary. Moreover, they facilitate effortless renovations, offering a cost-effective means of refreshing the look and feel of the space. Whether through a simple refacing or a complete overhaul, updating kitchen cabinets breathes new life into the heart of the home, enhancing both functionality and aesthetics. Evolution of kitchen cabinets. Tracing the lineage of kitchen cabinets unveils a fascinating journey through time, from humble storage solutions to sophisticated design statements. Historically, kitchens relied on freestanding cupboards and shelves to house essentials, evolving into integrated cabinetry during the Industrial Revolution. The advent of mass production and advancements in woodworking techniques ushered in an era of standardized cabinet design, revolutionizing kitchen organization and spatial efficiency. Functionality and organization. At the core of the kitchen cabinet's allure lies its unmatched functionality and organizational prowess. Engineered to optimize space utilization, modern cabinets boast an array of innovative features, including pull-out drawers, rotating shelves, and specialized compartments for cookware, utensils, and pantry items. By providing designated storage solutions for every culinary necessity, kitchen cabinets foster an environment of order and efficiency, empowering home chefs to unleash their creativity without the constraints of clutter. Durability and quality. Beyond their utilitarian function, kitchen cabinets are esteemed for their durability and superior craftsmanship. Crafted from premium materials such as solid hardwoods, plywood, or engineered wood, they withstand the rigors of daily use with resilience and grace. Moreover, advancements in manufacturing techniques have led to the proliferation of eco-friendly materials and finishes, ensuring that modern cabinets not only endure but also contribute to sustainable living practices. Aesthetics and customization. In the realm of interior design, kitchen cabinets serve as both functional fixtures and aesthetic focal points. With an extensive array of styles, finishes, and hardware options available, cabinets offer limitless possibilities for personalization and expression. Whether embracing the timeless elegance of traditional cabinetry or the sleek sophistication of contemporary designs, homeowners can tailor their kitchen cabinets to reflect their unique tastes and preferences, thereby infusing the space with personality and charm. Versatility and adaptability. One of the hallmarks of kitchen cabinets is their innate versatility and adaptability to diverse design schemes and spatial constraints. Whether adorning a sprawling gourmet kitchen or a cozy galley layout, cabinets seamlessly integrate into the architectural fabric, enhancing both form and function. Furthermore, their modular nature facilitates easy renovations and updates, allowing homeowners to refresh the look and feel of their kitchens without undertaking costly and time-consuming overhauls. Conclusion. In conclusion, the kitchen cabinet transcends its utilitarian purpose, embodying the essence of form meeting function. From its humble origins to its modern manifestations, the evolution of kitchen cabinetry reflects the ever-changing needs and aspirations of homeowners. As a bastion of organization, durability, and style, the kitchen cabinet remains an indispensable element of the culinary domain. So, the next time you find yourself in the kitchen, take a moment to appreciate the silent sentinel that is your kitchen cabinet, an unsung hero in the symphony of domestic life.